Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at Yonah Mountain. I'm with my buddy 3. We're gonna be doing an overnight camp up at the summit, 2.3 miles, so let's keep moving. Guys, leave no trace. What's going on here? GVC. Okay, so we made our way up about a quarter of the way so far. Nice little incline. Terrain is a little rocky. Make sure you bring the right footwear. But overall, it's a pretty nice trail. See a lot of graffiti. It's a shame. Can't have anything nice. Let's keep moving. All right, so we have come up to the first, I guess, flat knoll or whatever you want to call this. It's kind of like the midway point. It's a nice little overlook over here. Let's go check it out. Straight up. This part is a little challenging. All right, so remember, I'm wearing a pack. We're doing an overnight tonight. But going up this hill, it is straight up from that midway point. I tell you, it's not fun when you got weight on you, especially if you have any type of injuries or start feeling it. But the view is totally worth it. All right, so we just passed a bunch of individuals in fatigues, and I'm pretty sure they're rangers. Here's saying they're just military. So if you know, put a comment down below. Love to hear from you on what your thoughts are. Are they Army Rangers or are they just Army? Let's keep moving. All right, so we're making our way up to Yonah Mountain summit. Coming along this little rock face here. And if you've never been to Yonah, you can typically see it from most places in terms of hikes along the Appalachian Trail. Looks like a little knob out in the distance. It stands by itself. But we're about to see some really awesome 360 views. Let's keep moving. We're almost to the summit, but if you can see behind me, this is a beautiful view of the Appalachian Trail. This is such a great place to hike. If you've never been here before, definitely recommend it. Let's keep moving. Watch out. Oh, still recording. So it's Metro. We're at the top of Yonah Mountain, having a little coffee break here. As you can see, it is a beautiful day. Nobody's up here. We have this entire place to ourselves. About to go hang up the hammocks, maybe fly the drone around. I don't know. Let's keep moving. Alright, so it's Metro. We're at the top of Yonah Mountain, just chilling out in the hammock, checking out these views. It is incredible up here. I'm telling you, it is a perfect day. Perfect day to go camping. First couple weeks of fall, I guess we're in right now, so I couldn't ask for more. Let's keep moving.
Is that how it is?
Alright, so I'm with 3 right now, getting the wood prep for the fire. Looks like we got a pretty good stack here. What's the name of the saw you got?
That's the Silky. Gomboy.
Gomboy, Silky. Here's our fire pit. Got some kindling, some logs. This is where we're hanging out tonight. Anyway, so I'm having a little dinner here. This is the chicken gumbo, good to go, real food, real adventure. It was a great time. It was good food, and it's just really easy to make, so I'm enjoying this, not so bad. Well, we've set up our camp for the night, but we've also been joined by plenty of others, as you can see behind me. Pretty much just out of nowhere, these tents just got dropped right in front of our campsite. I don't know, hiker etiquette is key for any type of success when it comes to camping, but don't be these people. Let's keep moving. Well, we just saw an airplane fly like right over our heads. It was crazy. Whoa, crazy. So, this is gonna be our little camp ring. We did very well today. Look at this bounty of logs that we were able to collect. This is all dry wood. We don't do the green stuff. We don't cut down trees. All right, so what do you got here?
I just got some dried leaves and stuff. I'm trying to crumble them up really well.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna scrape off a little bit of my magnesium stick here.
Magnesium
and that's
stick.
so I can catch a spark really easy. And then I'm gonna use my little ferro rod, which I think I put it in my pocket over here.
You got some fire going there, buddy. All right, so we've been up here camping for a little bit now. About to head down to this overlook to see a little footage. Testing out this loom cube as well. See what we can find. So the traffic has definitely died down. We've been out here for pretty much all day. Now it's sunset. Oh gosh, it's so great. Wow, look at that. That's just incredible. Hey guys, it's Metro. We are on top of Yonah Mountain. As you can see behind me, the sunset is beautiful. This is an incredible place to check out. If you've never been here before, definitely recommend camping up here, but also taking in these wonderful views at sunset. So let's keep moving. All right, so that was an awesome sunset. If you've never been here before, definitely recommend checking out Yonah Mountain at sunset. Hands down, one of the best places I have ever been to see the sunset, with the majestic lights and everything combined in the mountains. You have not seen anything better than that. Let's keep moving. All right, Flip. Good job on this fire, man. Looking good. We got some logs on the fire. Okay, so it's Metro. It is morning time. It's about 7:30 in the morning on top of Yonah Mountain, and I tell you what, I slept horribly. About 5 o'clock last night, a whole bunch of people just crowded our campsite, got so close, I'm talking less than 10 feet away, and they were just making noise completely through the night. Kids running around, showing absolutely no respect. So, the note I want to get to all of you is make sure you have hiker etiquette. Make sure you're polite to those around you, and just because you're having a good time doesn't mean you have to share that with everyone around you. Let people have their space and their privacy, and be courteous to others. Leave no trace. Let's keep moving. All right, so we're making our way down Yonah Mountain. This is the first real descent from the mountain, getting to that midway point. But as you can see, we walked up all of this, so it's pretty intense, especially if it's raining or the ground is wet. You're slipping and sliding. Yeah, let's go to the right. I don't want to go down the rock this time. All right, so that's that. We just did 24 hours out here on Yonah Mountain. Had a great time, but it could have been better. Make sure you show fellow campers proper etiquette. So with that being said, if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.